how to care for our mental health in digital world. Let me share you some tips about what is feasible. That's extracted both from digital minimalism, but also from other pieces of research and my own experience as a psychologist. So one of the challenges that you might want to take is 30 days without any optional technology. So, okay, you have to use, for example, Teams for work, but don't use anything else and see how it feels. I tried. The first few days were really awkward. Yeah, but then you realize there's maybe other things to do in your free time. Engaging in higher quality activities. So there is a certain trap in thinking that, you know, scrolling in your phone or replying to all emails very quickly, that doesn't cost you that much time. Well, it actually does. So the idea behind engaging in higher quality activities is about sort of pushing back that time that you have for social media, yeah, so higher quality activities, that means both your leisure time, but also higher quality activity at work might maybe mean to travel to that office from time to time. Use only the technology that serves what you value. So if you use social media, for example, think about what you use it for. If it's to connect with other people, maybe there's a trap. Maybe it would be better to call some people instead, or to talk with them more often. So what you value perhaps might be knowing what is happening in your neighborhood, in your community. Then maybe you can arrange it in such a way that you only check it from time to time. If you want to know what is happening in your team, maybe you can also find another way than just checking the communicator all the time. Spend time alone. Cal Newport writes about the lack of solitude those days, and the solitude means the time that is free from the minds of other people. So walking with your phone left behind, that might be challenging, really, but worth trying. Try to consolidate texting. One of the ideas is that when we text, it's also a sort of a trap, thinking that we are in real contact with other people. Sometimes we just do pass the communicates, but we do not pass the relationship. So you might try to consolidate that instead of texting back and forth. What else? Hold office hours. And the office hours means, what does it mean? That you at a certain time during the day you are available for others, for your connections, for your teammates, or for your colleagues who can call you on the phone and talk to you with a real voice during that time. So that's also worth a try. Fix or build something every week. So this is about doing something tangible and in very real world. So you can engage in gardening. You can fix things. You can build. If there's kids that's in your home, that's quite easy. You can build constructions with your Lego bricks. But otherwise, you can also try to engage in that. Join a club, like a real club, a social club in your neighborhood that does whatever. Actually, it can be a Zumba club, or at work you can also try to create a club of board games, and people who meet every 2 weeks at work to play after office hours, of course, to play board games. Also plan your leisure time and plan it with other people, and use your devices as single-use media. So the trap in smartphones is that there's everything in there, the camera, the work, the communication. It's great if you have a laptop for your work, and that's it. It doesn't serve you to use your social media or anything else.